Number 5. Number 4.
The microdial tapering jig makes tapered cuts on the table saw, router table, and bandsaw with incredible accuracy and repeatability. It's designed to work with your grippers, giving you incredible precision and control. No more marking and eyeballing your tapered cuts. The microdial packs an astounding 112 preset angles down to the 1/8 of a degree, allowing you to quickly and accurately lock in your angle using one of the color match dials. If you don't know the exact angle of your taper, the other dial can be set to the desired rise and run. The microdial features 2 memory stops, allowing you to switch between 2 angles quickly and with 0 guesswork. It also includes a joining heel, allowing you to make straight line rips on stock without a prepared edge. Cut tapered legs for your next mid-century modern style piece, then bring it over to the router table and add some decorative detail. You want to make the same cut months or years later? No problem. The microdial will lock back into any angle down to the 1/8 of a degree. No other tapering jig offers this level of accuracy, safety, and repeatability. The microdial comes with our 100% satisfaction guarantee and extended 3-year warranty. Experience the difference. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
When you need to rip plywood or some other sheet material down to size, the Bora Rip Guide is a fast and accurate tool for the job, especially when you need to cut multiple pieces of the same width. The Bora Rip Guide is a two-part tool, an extruded aluminum rail, and the rip handle. It's simple to use. First, attach your circular saw to a Bora saw plate by slipping the saw's base plate under the plate clamps and tighten the screws. Secure the back of the saw plate by tightening the adjustable spring clamp. Next, a small metal key slides into the channel on the rail. Then, tighten the hand screw in the Bora Rip Guide against the rail to secure your saw. On the other end of the rail is the sliding edge guide with a sure grip handle. Slip the rail into the edge guide and tighten it in place with a large thumb screw. Align your cut utilizing the saw plate blade indicator, which is aligned directly with the saw's blade. And that's it. Just push the saw forward while holding the edge guide tight against the material to make nice, clean cuts. The Bora Rip Guide lets you make accurate cuts up to 24 inches wide. Use it in cabinet making, for cutting bookcases, shelving, tabletops, storage boxes, garden furniture. You'll find 100 uses for this handy cutting guide. So if a table saw or track saw isn't in the budget, or you don't have the room, the Bora Rip Guide is the answer. And unlike a table saw, it's portable too. You can take it right to your job site. The Bora Rip Guide, another great idea from Bora Tools.